what do we have today? There, we have a gel pen case that we're going to use to make a doll marshmallow vending machine. We're going to start by cutting it up. And there we have 3 pieces. Now it's time for me to stitch the pieces into a vending machine base. Stitching through that plastic was a lot of hard work with the strong needle, so kids, always have an adult help you with that, or better, let your parents do that for you or something, because better put out the safety warnings for that task. I prefer to do it for the sake of the durability of it, but I am warning you that it can be dangerous for younger audiences. The next thing that is a little bit safer we're going to do is to glue in with craft glue a piece of cardboard, so an insert where they can keep all the marshmallows in there for my dolls. Okay, since we added a cardboard insert for the machine, we don't touch it until it's completely dry. And there is a safety warning depending on what glue you use. So if you use super glue, be careful because you don't want it near your eyes or your skin. But I use craft glue that is safer and is strong enough to hold it. And now, since the cardboard insert is drying, we're going to make decorations. So the vending machine has been labeled A, B, C, D. And we're going to start with the part A. So, I'm drawing like a place where they can pay for the marshmallows in the vending machine, and since that's done, let's put it on part A. We still need more. Now let's work on part B. So we're just drawing pastel colored marshmallow patterns to decorate it. Looking good. Oh, wait a second. There's still work to do on the back sides. So that's for the inside of the machine labeled C and D. So let's do it now. For the part C, we're going to draw a pattern with Nicholas Mellow pattern all over the part C, and of course using pastel colors, like I use a pastel colored gel pen for that. Does this look like Nicholas Mellow pattern? No. So let's bring out the details with a pastel pink coloring pencil. That's much better. He's more recognizable now. Now it's clearly Nicholas Mellow pattern all over the part C. Now let's put a sign on the part D. So it's Marshmallow Surprise Machine with a question and an exclamation mark. So then we are going to color these in pastel yellow. That looks more colorful, keeping with the pastel theme. Now to decorate the machine. Okay, so good but not secure enough for people to not steal any marshmallows. So we need to put a roof to keep it secure. I think hook and eyes will make it even more secure. I have stitched on the hook and eyes just like what I want you with plastic and even cardboard before. Get an adult supervision for the younger audiences to do it because there is a risk of minor injury. Okay, let's make a plate for the part E, which is the roof. So we've marked a piece of paper for it, and for the part E, we're going to put the same pattern as the part B in it. Okay, my Szewczaks, that's it, almost done. We need to fill it with marshmallows. And there we have it. We filled it with very random marshmallows. Like, not actual marshmallows, but doll-sized. And there's even a milk cacao one in there. For the filling, I've added generic white, pink, green ones. I've added like some of them that I was already showing you how to make in some Maja Szewczak colors. And there's an elephant that I've made just out of boredom, and also a milk cacao that I've made especially for the machine, just to fill it with random marshmallows, because after all, this is a marshmallow vending machine, so why not just throw like very random marshmallows in there? So Szewczaks, what do you think of this machine? Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye Szewczaks!